it's Christina from Christina's Crafts. I got these from Walmart last year, these little picks. They say $1.28, but I did get them on sale at the end of last year. So I don't know if they have these again this year or not, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some ornaments out of these, and this is going to be like the simplest, quickest video I've done. So just remember, if you see anything in this size, you could possibly make a Christmas decoration out of it. So excuse me. So if you have these and you bought these and they're like in your stash and you don't know what to do with them, this is what I'm gonna do. So I just take the pick part here and I'm just gonna bend that until it comes off. Just a couple quick bends and it's off of there. So if you watched any of my other videos, you know that I am going to be decorating my Christmas tree using not traditional decorations. Some I'm making, I'm using other things, other little ornaments and stuff to make them, but this is what I'm doing this year. I've never decorated my own tree, so I am going to do that this year. So what I'm gonna do, and this is so simple, I can't even believe I'm making a video on this, but I am going to attach some of this twine that I have to the back of my signs here. Grab a scissors. And you want to make sure that you leave the loop big enough here so that it fits around the branch of the Christmas tree. And I am just hot gluing these down. Just like that. And then the other thing that I'm going to do, I thought about trying to decorate these, put ribbons and stuff on them, but I just don't think that they need it. I think I'm just going to leave it just like that. So just kind of burn some of the edges off and there we go. Christmas ornament. Super cute, really super easy, and I got these on clearance last year. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of those on here and basically show you when they're done. Okay, so since this video is gonna be so short, I am just gonna show me doing this and I guess just talk to you for a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna say though. Yeah. I guess in the comments, let me know if you're following along with me and if you're decorating your Christmas tree or if you've ever decorated your Christmas tree with your own ornaments, or do you just buy store-bought ornaments? I know back in the day, when I was younger, my mom actually, she did cross stitch with the canvas, and she made a bunch of Christmas decorations one year, and we had those all on the tree. I guess when I was younger, I wasn't as much into crafting, and I guess I didn't really appreciate all the work that she put into it. Because it's actually quite a bit of work to make your own decorations. But as I got older, I started crafting more and more and really got into it. She's into some different stuff though. She's into painting. I'm not really big into painting anything. And she did her cross stitch. She did do some crochet. Yeah. I guess as you get older, you just kind of appreciate things more and more. I love doing this, and I'm going to tell you right now, I love the smell of these burning. I know, I'm a little weird. Alright, that is it. I'm just going to leave these right like that. I think they turned out really cute. I don't know. I'm excited to put these on the Christmas tree. I just want to say thanks for watching this short little video. I hope you enjoyed it. I would love it if you subscribe, share, like, and thanks for watching. Bye.